Today we're going to be making something new. Something you've never heard or seen before. It's something I created, and it's called a corn bird. Hi, my name is Chef Jelly. Welcome back, and to those who have not seen my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe. So, when I went to the fair, I saw a new trend at all the food trucks. It was something called a bird dog. Basically what it was like, instead of a hot dog, it was a piece of chicken inside of a hot dog bun. But I was like, what the heck, this is so unoriginal. Combining that new idea with an old idea, I have invented a corn bird. Basically what a corn bird is a corn dog mixed with that bird dog. It's the chicken dipped in corn batter, the corn dog batter, and makes a corn bird. This is something totally new that I have invented myself. This batter that we're making is going to be used in all 3 videos. It's the same batter for the mini corn dogs, the bacon corn dogs, the cheese corn dog, and the corn bird. So the ingredients that we need to make the batter is 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of cornmeal, a pinch of salt, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 cup of sugar, and then that's all your dry ingredients, so you go ahead and mix it. After your dry ingredients are mixed, you're gonna get 1 cup of milk and put it in there. 1 egg, and we use my trick, which is with 1 finger or 1 hand. So, boom. And a little bit of honey. I personally love working with honey. It makes everything just a little bit better. So about 3 teaspoons. And there you have it. You go ahead and mix it all up until everything is incorporated. Now we're gonna make bird dogs. And after you do your batter, you're gonna saute chicken until it's completely cooked. The purpose of sauteing the chicken is to take the moisture out of the chicken. Since we're gonna add dry batter to it, you don't want it to be moist, or if not, the batter won't stick. So you gotta get it as dry as possible, but not overcook it at the same time. To make bird dogs, you're gonna need chicken, batter, some flour, and bamboo sticks. I'm like Logan. Okay, so the first step you're gonna do is get a piece of chicken, put a skewer into the chicken, and then you put it in flour. You mix it in flour. It's okay if not all of it is coated in flour. You shake the excess off. Shake off the excess. And then you dunk it in the batter. And you're off to your next one. Same process. ready to fry. So the secret to this is to shake off the excess batter, because if not, the batter is going to be too thick and it won't be cooked on the inside. So go ahead and just make sure that it's evenly coated. And put it in the fryer. And now, we got a new addition to the family. In special petition of my father, he wanted a big chicken. So here we go. Don't forget that these fair episodes are 3 parts. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, all under Chef Jellies with an S. Facebook, Chef Jelly, and my new blog page, chefjelly.com.